Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this episode we are going to once again look at our Alpha One crypto trader that is a part of Cryptohopper. You can open an account here also completely for free. It's 7 days free. Just use the link you see up here right now, or you can just open with the link you find below the video. Also below the video you find a link to KuCoin. So if you do not have a broker, sign up with that one. So let's take a look at what have happened the last 24 hours. Let's see here now. So you can see we still are down on some few trades here. Looks like now we are going to get out of Tron, and Bitcoin is also not that bad. The thing is, the ones that looks the worst right now is Litecoin, but thankfully we only have $23 into that one, and if we start to come up to 10%, we will go in again one more time on that one. But currently we are getting quite nicely out of the trades. Since yesterday we can see that we have closed a few more trades. Only one today, but I think since yesterday this one also came in. So we are making a little money every single day, by the way. Currently we are down overall close to $17, but this all will repair itself. Little changes I have made is that as the balance is a little low, we are around $790. I did a small change. So let's take a look at that. I changed it to 1.5%. So we go back to what we started with, $11.6. I did that basically so we have an easier way to get out of trades, so we don't hold trades so long. You see here we're up to 30 hours. It's a little too long time. So as when we can go in with less money, we can then go in one more time very fast, and we can get out of trades a little faster. That's my plan. We will change this a little how we go. I will always update and things how we do things, but also I'm planning to put in more money here so we can start to make some more money, because like I said in the start, my plan going forward is that I want at least to make $100 a day from cryptocurrency on this with this robot. So to do that, of course, we will need a little more balance than we have currently now, but I will first optimize it with a small balance like this, and then start to make the good money. But first of all, I'm paying currently around, I think it's $19 exactly I pay a month. I just chose the smallest subscription. I'm only allowed to do 15 currency pairs, but to be quite frankly, I would not want to have more currency pairs either, because I only want to trade the most traded currency pairs that I chose it from CoinMarketCap. So all the currency pairs I have, I know it's highly traded, so I don't come into a position where I basically are not able to sell it even if I'm in profit. So that's why I keep only to the most traded pairs. So in that way, yes, maybe I would have traded 25 pairs, because I will think all the 25 top pairs are going good. But for now, 15 is good for me. First, I want to make sure I make more than what I'm expending in the monthly fee of $19. But later on, I will, when we start to optimize it and we start to make a little more money, then I also will upgrade my packet. That's my plan at least. You can start with this also, like I said in the start of the video, completely for free for 7 days. Then you can fill it out how you like it and everything. You can connect it with many different type of brokers. I found KuCoin to be the best. I started with Binance. I love Binance, misunderstand me correctly, but the problem is Binance is not accepting a few countries like United States. So as I want you to be able to copy exactly the way I do it, I changed it for KuCoin because I love KuCoin also, and then you can use the same broker like me, so link below the video for that. So that is basically just a small update about what's going on. It's not so much changes since yesterday, because if we take a look here now at Bitcoin, you see that it's not that much movement. We have this big fall here that made all altcoins go a little in minus, and that also makes it's a little difficult to get out of trade. Thankfully, this support line here is holding, and looks like we have gained a new support line up here now. And as Bitcoin is going up, that means altcoins also will gain value. And it's like this: if Bitcoin fall 1%, altcoins fall like 5%. If Bitcoin gain 1%, altcoins can shoot up 5%. So I'm expecting us to get out of all these trades pretty soon. And like I said, I changed it to $11 again. So in the case where we have a trade that go like 10% minus, we can easily go in 1, 2, 3, 4 times without any problems, and then we should be able to get out of the trades. Because it's better we are more active and we get more trades than less. So currently that is my plan going forward, and I think will work quite beautifully. So make sure you follow me in this also, because I will say, I have said many times, cryptocurrency robot is something that I like the most because it never sleeps. This robot will be run all the time, 24/7. I don't turn on off like I do with Forex. Forex also is only Monday to Friday. This is every single day. I love that. And binary option, I love binary option because I'm making a lot of money with that. But there is like turn on and turn off, turn on, turn off. Here is all the time, so it's a little more action. When we get this to be a robot that is starting to do many trades a day, then this will be super exciting, and I look forward to that day. But also what we're doing now is making the foundation to get to that level. So follow me now and let's build this together. And also, yes, make sure you follow me at WhatsApp and Telegram. I share all my Forex trades and binary options trades there. And I am planning also to make extra videos for Cryptohopper, my I was going to say binary option robot, my now I want to say Forex robot. My crypto robot, I will give information about this one there also, a little more information. So once in a while I will make a short videos there, I guess, where I show how things are going, maybe give some more insight and things like that. So make sure you follow me there, and it's completely for free and will always be free. So with that, have a super amazing day.